Tommy.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna try. Okay, just don't let me die, and I don't want to hurt you, and that's it. I'd rather learn like something really, really squishy. It's not squishy. This is squishier than any mat we have at the gym. Okay, then I want to do it. You can't. That's like this. Oh. Like, come on. All right, come on. No, put your arms over your head. Keep your feet together. I'm starting down. No, put your arms. All right. Put your arms down. Oh, sweet. That's all it is. Oh, okay. All it is. It's just fast. You want me to hold fast? Yeah. Okay, I'll jump into this. Oh, see? Do it again. That was by yourself. I'm not even kidding. You don't think you're doing anything. It's looking like you're doing something. Give a little bit, but then push right back up like you're handstand push-ups. That hurt really bad. Not even kidding.
Are you sure? Because I'm pretty sure this thing's pretty squishy.
Like,
Squishy.
straight.
You want me to
I'm grabbing your arms straight. Don't focus on anything else. Just keeping your arms straight. And look up. Not protecting my head. You keep your arms straight, you are protecting your head. Lean back. There you go.
You were talking and then you did that.
No, I did that.
I don't think we do
I know, I'm not doing it. Break that. I will, I'm getting to it. Hold the elbow. Elbow. My wrist. Well, turn your wrist because you're going like this.
I'm gonna let you talk and then I'm just gonna do
straight.
it.
I hit my wrist really hard. Well, now you're gonna hit your wrist really hard, but you keep landing on it. You'll get used to the feeling afterwards. Camera's still rolling? Yeah, I'll delete it. No, you can keep it. It's okay. I was just like, I'm embarrassing laying on my head all the time. I'm straight. See? Or straight. Okay, then win this gun. I got the mat. That's okay. That's what you're doing. Okay. You are going up. You're going back and going straight back up. You need to take the lead.
Do you need music or something?
No. See, you're starting here and your hands are hitting like...
We started at the ladder and now it's doing better.
My hands are hitting down here. Oh, my hands. And your hands are hitting like up here. Please don't back. No. Wait, yeah, go back. My hands are hitting here. You're not here. Okay. Oh. Yeah, exactly. You're going further back now. Okay, we need something to hold eccentric. Just a second. Here. Yeah. Keep with your little mojo going. Okay. That was going really good. You missed it. Hard. That one was good.
Good.
I'm
getting it.
You're good. Thank you, Erin. This is a very good day. Showcase isn't till Wednesday, right?
What's showcase?
You remember how they said it tonight. I thought we were doing it on Wednesday.
What's showcase?
You remember how we said that everybody was going to be able to show off like
Showcase isn't tonight.
Oh, I want to try out for that. I don't know, we'll test them. Can you hold that? I'm holding it.
Because you still have to write it down and put it in the mailbox.
Yeah, definitely.
It's called late night, right?
Yeah, it's on one of the light nights.
Yeah, it's 10:30. It's 10:30.
Awesome. So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, but you have to put stuff in the mailbox. We're not going back to the center until late night. So is it really tonight or what?
No, we're not doing late.
Late night tomorrow night.
No, we're not doing late night tonight. We're doing it tomorrow night. And then for the rest of the week, it could go instead. Yeah,
See, by whatever this thing is, you'll be able to do this. Alright, now try this. Go from like here, handstand, land up here.
I'm taking my...
Take a second and go straight into it. You want to spot first time or what? No. Okay. Oh! No, you gotta go that way. Yeah, I'm not going that way. That's just really high. Start on the left where phone board is still first. Okay. Going fast, big fingers. No pain, calm down. It was hilarious. Going fast. No pain, okay.
Does that mean that you don't like roller coasters?
Yes, that one is straight. Thank you. Keep your legs straighter though. If you can focus on that first. Oh, no, I mean you're almost landing on me. Sorry. I think it's really long. Exactly.
You're break her legs then.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Here, wait. Or not. That one was pretty. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Except it's like stuff on the carpet burn. Okay, go. Like,
Alright, that was fun.
Well, this far back, like, this, because right now this is what your feet look like while you're upside down, and just snap down, straight on your feet, and stand up.
Hey, do you guys know where dinner is?
Dinner is at the dining hall, which is on the map.
Okay.
Last one. To my name.
She's almost finished.
Comes my pain. The air is reflected on me.
We're gonna edit this a little bit. So this isn't everything that you're gonna see.
Good.
Because you're not gonna see the rest.
Hey, we're supposed to be there like by 4:30.
What time is it?
It's 4:25.
Okay.
Wait, one more.
Peace out, Cub Scout. Well, one more.